Hello! Welcome to S'mores and More, where we take the traditional campfire treat and turn it on its head. My name is Sean Pimetti, and welcome to the S'mores and Dinosaurs YouTube channel. Today we have a very special video. Today we're not creating our own, we are doing our first s'more recreation. That's right, today we are recreating the s'more from the movie Ghostbusters Afterlife. Ha ha ha! Now in the movie, Paul Rudd is going down a grocery aisle when all of a sudden he is attacked by a swarm of mini puffs. That's right, Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, but tiny! So, the s'more is not that unique, but the way it's prepared is. So, we need graham crackers, we need chocolate, and we need Stay Puft Marshmallows. Specifically, mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Mans. We need a mini puff, and guess what we have? Close. Thank you. Mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. So let me show you how to make these really quick.
So the first thing that you're going to need are marshmallows, and we're actually using Stay Puft marshmallows today. You're going to need a couple of the large traditional size marshmallows, and then you're going to need a whole assortment of mini marshmallows. So that's what you're going to need. And then the next ingredients that you're going to need are pretzel rods, and these are the small pretzel rods. You want them small and thin and easy to break because they're going to be the structure inside our marshmallow men. So you're going to want to put those mini marshmallows down, and we're going to create the appendages by skewering the mini marshmallows onto the pretzel rods. The pretzel rod and the marshmallow diameter are pretty close, so you're going to need to really put several on there and make sure that it is covering that pretzel. But once you do, you get little appendages that look pretty much like this. So once you have all your appendages done, it's time to skewer them into our larger marshmallows. So you just put in one right there, and sometimes you need to remember to break off part of those pretzel rods because otherwise they will poke through the opposite side of the marshmallow. So once you have your arms in, you want to put your legs in right there, and you'll break that pretzel, Sean. There we go. And then put that in there just like that, and look at that, you already have your Stay Puft Marshmallow Man coming pretty far. Now to put the head on, now I'm using a thicker quote-unquote thicker pretzel rod here, and once you have that for the head, and once again you gotta snap off a little bit of that rod and then just shove it in there. It's going to be pretty packed in there with all the other pretzel rods, but just find your way inside there, and there you go. It isn't totally pretty, but you have your mini Marshmallow Man, your mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Alright, now that we have our mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, now that we have our mini puff, let's create this s'more.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is put down your graham cracker. Now in the movie, it looks like that graham cracker is being made with that side up, the dimpled side up. So then you're going to put down your sacrificial mini puffed. You're going to put him right down there, and then you're going to lay an entire Hershey's chocolate bar on top of him. I'm not saying this recipe isn't a wasteful recipe. And then you're going to get out your brand new culinary torch, and set that sucker up to 11. Big flame on this one. And then we're going to start torching the chocolate. And I'm going to be totally honest, it took a little bit longer to get that chocolate bar melted down to the point that it looked as melted in the movie. But you'll get it.
Alright, so we made this movie accurate with an untoasted mini puff in the s'more. And I will tell you what, I was a little worried with that chocolate charring. Oh man, this is a very ooey gooey mess. Oh man. Okay, let's try this out. I think the easiest... Oh, there is chocolate dripping everywhere. We're just going to try a bite in the middle. Wow. This is the biggest mess I've made in a long time. So, it's good. I mean, it's your American classic s'more. Of course it would taste good. But it's a little hard to manage. The mini puff, being untoasted, it's just really hard and dense, and that chocolate, although this smells absolutely amazing, that chocolate is absolutely everywhere. So we've made it movie accurate. Now let's try it out how I would make this. Let's roast a mini puff.
So, once again, here we are again. We got our mini puff, but no, I am not going to hold this in my hands. No, you want to get a pair of tongs out, especially if you're using a culinary torch. So once you have that in the tongs, you just start torching it up a little bit. You want to start roasting that marshmallow, getting it to a nice golden brown. It's taking too long. Let's crank that up to 11. Oh, it's catching fire faster than I was anticipating. Oh my! Oh, that's not exactly what I wanted. That's okay. Well, you're gonna put that on the small chocolate graham cracker and the chocolate. And Sean, just pick it up with your hands. There we go. And you're gonna put it right there on the graham cracker, and you want to get your PKE meter out to make sure there's no spectral activity remaining.
All right, and now all we have to do is place that top graham cracker. Oh, that's so much better than before. All right, and here comes, let's try out our mini puffed roasted s'more. Fantastic. The double wide s'more is a little bit difficult to manage. But those pretzel rods holding the marshmallow arms and legs together, ooh, it's a nice little extra treat. A little hint of salt, inside your sweet. Ooh, it's so good. And that's it. We just finished our first movie recreation of a s'more. I am so excited. Who knows, this may in fact start a whole trend of s'mores being featured in movies, in which case we will also have to recreate them, but probably not. They will probably not be as exciting as this one because, I mean, most s'mores in movies are going to be the traditional s'more. That's not what we do here on S'mores and More. No. So, if you enjoyed what you saw today, hit that like button. Maybe even consider subscribing to the channel if you feel so inclined. We have a lot of ooey gooey prehistoric fun on this channel, and we try to upload videos every week. So until next time, stay safe out there, and I'll see you real soon. I think there's something else in there. Oh, this is too scary for me. Bye, everybody.